You see what we're coming up to. It's known as the Flinderation Tunnel or the Brandy Gap Tunnel. It's right off of Route 50 near Salem, West Virginia. You see the sign that says Flinderation Road, just turn there and it's only about a half mile. Old B&O tunnel. It's actually on the rail trail. Actually says tunnel number 2, 1868. That's how old this is. Straight shot, there's no turn in this tunnel. Little alcove here to duck out of the way in case the train comes. We'll walk through, just see what the other side looks like. Don't have my light, so this isn't going to show up very good. Now the ceiling here is just rock. There's another alcove to duck out of the way. It's only about 2 feet deep. Yeah, I might be able to see the ceiling here. It's just stone, bricked up on the sides. Big cut stone, and then as you get close to the entrance, closer to the east portal here, it turns into brick. The stones do go up to the ceiling and across. On the outside here, how they cut into the rock here at the entrance to this tunnel. I think this rail trail is probably 40 or 50 miles long from Clarksburg close to Parkersburg. And here's the east portal. Again, it says in the brush up there, tunnel number 2, 1868. There you go. Can't read exactly what's below it. And I want to say this is 800 feet long just by walking it here. I'll put the actual distance on the video when I look it up here. I've been to these tunnels before on the rail trail and I have a much longer video. But I thought I'd just do this quick videos about the covered bridge in this tunnel here. I'm going to see some bikers coming through. See the stone, but in the alcove here, it's bricked. This is the Fletcher covered bridge. Built around 1891. Rehabilitated in 2002. Big heavy post here. And you can actually drive a vehicle across this, a weight limit of 3 tons. It's on 10 Mile Creek, about 10 miles outside of Clarksburg. See those massive cut stones that form the foundation or pillars on each end of the bridge. Those are 4 feet by over a foot thick, 2 feet wide. Ten Mile Creek this crosses. Covered bridge still in use.